tell me about this cookie chemistry between both of you. Like, what is this cookie? And yeah, stress maybe you also tend to eat a lot of sweets and all. So how did you all manage to still look fit?
We definitely bonded over food, that's for sure. Because I think we both love food right now.
Love.
And I just remembered today. In fact, we shot this so long ago that my memory is awful. But I remembered today that in the first week of shoot, we were shooting in Mud Island, which for me is really far because I live in town. So the trek every day to Mud Island and back was like a good 2.5 hours each way.
Yeah.
So Tammy very, very sweetly in the first 10 days of shoot brought me food from home every day. She would bring me Sindhi food like Sindhi curry and aloo tok, and it was the most delicious food. And so we really, I mean, we bonded instantly, and I was just so grateful for home food because, you know, when you're shooting on a set and eating out every day, it can really be tough on your system. How do we manage to keep fit? I don't know. We just did.
I mean, I really put on a couple of
You
kgs.
keep saying that,
But listen, how much we ate on loose. I think we were working very long hours. And also it was like हम लोग ना एक पॉइंट के बाद फर्नीचर बन गए थे सेट पे क्योंकि हम तो रहते ही थे बट बाकी लोग आते थे शूट करते थे जाते थे तो we used to just be like surviving those many hours. We were just like coffee food, and that's how we kind of shot this show in 50 days, which is 8 episodes. It's a lot of footage.
Yeah.
And it is a show, because it's a show, it also happens to be a lot more verbose than shooting a film. Because you speak a lot. And yeah, I definitely I was working out and I still put on weight.
Listen, she was being fit. I was being awful. But Madam would go to the gym every morning, and I don't even know how. I have so much respect for that. Like, so much, because every moment of sleep that I got, I would take it. But she would wake up at 4 in the morning, go to the gym, finish her workout, and then come to set for a 12-hour day.
But that's something everyone is speaking about, your 4:30
It's
workout.
insane. Like, I could not believe it when I heard her say that, and I was just like, wow, I will never be you.
No, the thing is, but the problem is that even if you work out like that, you still have to watch what you eat. At least for like near mortals, not like God's favorite child on.
So